Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash. This fast-paced, rhythm-based platformer challenges your reflexes and timing. You'll navigate through various levels, each with unique obstacles and a distinct musical track. The goal is simple: reach the end of each level without crashing. We'll cover the fundamental controls and initial steps to get you started on your exciting journey through this vibrant game world. As you progress, your icon will transform into different vehicles, each with unique movement mechanics. For instance, as a ship, you hold to fly up and release to descend, while the ball form flips gravity with each tap. Understanding these transformations and their controls is key. There are over 20 official levels, each introducing new obstacles and requiring precise execution to overcome. Beyond the official levels, Geometry Dash offers a robust practice mode, enabling you to place checkpoints and master tricky sequences without restarting. The game also features an intuitive level editor, empowering you to unleash your creativity by designing custom stages. You can share your creations with a global community, and in turn, explore millions of user-generated levels, providing virtually limitless content to enjoy. To truly excel, focus on the game's rhythm. The music often cues your movements. Many players find success by synchronizing their taps with the beat. The Geometry Dash community is vast and active, offering a wealth of knowledge, from speedrunning techniques to level design tutorials. Don't hesitate to explore user-created content, including the notoriously difficult demon levels, which provide the ultimate test of skill and perseverance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.